hands in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right. Make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with always running in circles, try to make up my mind. Should I ask you? I'm too scared to ask, but I'll probably ask you this time. Spend a couple of hours, alright, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. Cause I have been planning for quite a long while. Been asking your friends how to best make you smile. And I don't wanna mess up like I always do when I try to say this to you. Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right. Make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with
boy, you're running in circles, you're always on my mind. I'm wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. Cause I have been waiting for quite a long time, been patiently giving you reasons to find the courage to say what you're wanting to do. I just wanna hear this from you. Can we dance in the moonlight,
hold hands if the mood's right.
make plans till the sunrise
and sleep till noon. I'll take you
to the beach, get our toes wet
and leave after sunset.
And I would do it all again, cause I don't want my day to end with you.
La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Can we?
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never